Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I am so excited. Not that I don't love Fabfitfun spoilers, I absolutely do. But because we were doing those, I had to set aside so many of my boxes. So we're gonna spend a couple of weeks playing catch up. But we're gonna start with this one. This is my Beautylish Lucky Bag. It drops on December 26th, so right there the day after Christmas. And it usually sells out really quickly. It lasted a little bit longer this season, I think, but it usually sells out pretty quickly. I got the regular Lucky Bag. It is $75. You pay shipping, which is like $15, and then tax. They say you will get double your value, so I should have $150 in value. You can get the Lucky Bag XL. It is $150. I would love to do that. But like I said, they drop it the day after Christmas. So I'm still busy feeling the pinch. If they would drop it like mid-March, they'd probably get me to buy one of those XL bags. Maybe next year. I say that every year, but then there I am the day after Christmas thinking, because it's $150 plus it's like $20 shipping and then you have tax on top of that, it's $200 in my head. Girl math. That you can choose the regular bag like I did, the XL bag, which is $150, so you get $300 in value. I will in theory have $150 in value. I think they do a Wayne Goss box now. I think Wayne Goss box and Jeffree Star. There were a lot of choices. I just got the regular Lucky Bag XL, so let's see what our paper inside is always, oh, my tag fell off. The paper inside is always, can I do it justice? Always so gorgeous. This year is the same. It does not disappoint. And that is what that looks like. It's a pretty dragon on there. Let's see what the back, you might have guessed by my surroundings. I'm still under construction upstairs, you know, got a little waylaid by the whole spoiler situation. The dragons on this year's Lucky Bag symbolize good luck and fortune, along with power and change. We hope these surprises offer you moments of self-love that will help you tap into your power in 2024. I hope so too. I will probably save this paper and end up wrapping a pretty gift in it. It's very pretty. Inside, we have our bag. I have to tell you, that is the smallest Lucky Bag I have ever seen. I have watched other people unbox their boxes, laying in there in the middle of the night thinking, I wonder what's in my box, when it was out there taunting me. I don't even have a palette, I don't think. There's no palette across the back of this, so let's dig in and see what I got. In theory, I have to have $150 in value. I'll put the prices, I'll go back through, and as long as I can find them, I'll put the prices up here so we'll know what I got. First out, we almost always have a brush. I've been getting Wayne Goss brushes. This, I'm starting to take it out without even showing it to you guys, is a Sonia G brush. I don't know that I have ever received a Sonia G brush, so that was very exciting. It is just a, what do they call it, a packer. It's just a eyeshadow lid packer. You could also, yeah, it's firm enough if you wanted to. You could use it for a concealer. It's so soft. It is very, very soft. That is amazing. One of the reasons they call it a lucky bag is, and I have seen a couple of the people that I follow get lucky, you can get lucky. One person, sub box lover, and in all fairness, she had the full XL bag, but she received a complete serum, shampoo, and conditioner of the Oribe line. That, I mean, somebody else got a full set of Sonia G brushes. I think it was just a regular box too. So there are absolutely lucky people out there. I don't think I'm one of them this year. I haven't managed to be one of them yet. Next out, we have Charlotte's Magic Cream Light. Have I tried the light one? Because I can't use the Charlotte's Magic Cream. It made my face mad. It says it is a lightweight miracle moisturizer, sunscreen, broad spectrum, SPF 20. I mean, don't get me wrong. This is a pricey little nugget. Yeah, it uses avobenzene, so it is a chemical SPF, not a mineral SPF, which is not my preference. And knowing that the regular Magic Cream breaks me out, I don't think that I will swatch this. I will set it aside to pass it on. My daughter might like to try this. It is in a gorgeous glass bottle. I mean, it's kind of basic. It's kind of basic, but it's white, but it's very heavy and glass, and it's very nice. Next out, I have, what do I have? Wayne Goss lipstick in Nutmeg. Oh, she looks a little orange for me. I am not feeling lucky yet. I think I let anticipation take over, and because I was like, it's gonna be awesome, I can't wait to get it open. There's almost nothing that could have met my anticipation level. When we take it out, that is what the packaging looks like. Oh, I'm gonna try it. It might be, oh, she's a little brown, isn't she? Now that I can see it up there with the lighting. I don't know what to do. I don't think I'm gonna swatch it because I just don't think it's my color. You guys know I love to stay positive, but I'm feeling a little bit like I'm not the winner with this lucky bag, which is a shame. It's always a risk with the mystery, and I will do it again next year because this is the first season that I have kind of felt like, this might not be my lucky year. In all fairness, that color might work for my daughter too. Next out, we have a, is it Danielessa Myrix? It looks like it says DM. DM Color Fix Foils. I have no idea what this is. Waterproof liquid pigment for eye, lip, or cheek, and I have it in Venus. Well, I don't know. What do you guys know about this? If you have used this, let me know what you know. We're gonna rip into it though. I have had Danielessa Myrix in the past. I had a balm that was pretty much like Vaseline that you put on your face after you put your foundation on. That doesn't work for me. Ooh, she's very orange. With this box, by the way, with the regular Lucky Bag, they ask you whether you are light, medium, or medium dark, and they meet that need. And yes, this is definitely for a light to medium skin or lip. We're getting into it. Darn it, we are not letting another product pass us by that we don't get into. So they say we can put this on our eyes, our cheeks, or our lips. Certainly it will work somewhere for me. Ooh, it's very, I haven't looked at it yet in person. It feels like liquid. I expected it to be more balmy. First of all, that little drop that I put on, it's a lot. There you go. It's very shiny. Wow, what is that darkness right there? Why do I have, is it a shadow? I don't know what's happening. I feel like I have a shadow. Anyway, that is what that looks like. It is very shiny. I could never use that on my cheek. I can see it on my eye though. That could be super fun on your eye. That's probably the only place I would use it because that's not a lippy for me either. Okay. Somebody send me some positive vibes. Okay. Next out, we have our Good Molecules. Ooh, Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. I need a new eye cream, although this does say gel. So hopefully this will be the one. So even my Good Molecules is a tiny little box. Have you watched other people unbox these? This is a very tiny bag, isn't it? Well, I can't, those are the words on the back, and even with my glasses on, I can't see that. So we're just gonna hope for the best and that I can use this and I won't put it on my eyes. That way, if I can't, I can give it to my daughter to try. This is what it looks like when you take it out. Actually, that's probably more helpful. It's the metal, but the top has the pokey. I appreciate that. And yet I can't get through it. Okay, made it. All right, first out we have, there we go. You see that? Oh, this is, okay. Oh, it's very gel-like. It is absolutely not a cream. Almost no smell. If anything, I think it's a little sweet, which is unusual in an eye cream slash gel. Yeah, I like it. I like the way it feels. It feels like it's gonna absorb. I mean, you can't even see it anymore, just a little liquid on the back of my hand. It feels like it's going to absorb magically. Okay, I will read more about this later. I have tried the Good Molecules products in the past and liked them. They do a lot of things for younger skin. So a lot of the things they do are just too aggressive for my skin, but some are not. And this might work for me. That's fun. Yay, this is probably, I'm telling you here, this is probably $12. So basically $12.90, we're breaking even. Okay, next I have a Wayne Goss Essential Eye Kohl Pencil. I'll tell you guys like it is. I love Wayne Goss lipsticks. I love his makeup ability. I have had his eyeliners and his lip liners, and I find them both to be incredibly dry. I cannot use his eye pencils because my old lady eyes, that's what I attribute it to, aren't taught enough to deal with him. They are just generally so dry. This is too small. I don't think I can. Oh, wait. Rich hazel. Rich hazel? Rich hazel. Let's see what that means. Probably brownish green. My eyes are hazel. You guys can't tell all of the green in my eyes because it sadly never transfers. This is what this looks like. I'm taking this off for a split second to show you guys, but then I'm going to tuck it right back in here. Is that black? Can you guys tell? I'm not going to swatch it, so we may never know. Yeah, at best, it's like a dark brown. Okay. My feelings are starting to get hurt. Okay, my last product. Just gotta pull it out of the crapper and I have no idea what it is. Are we ready? Here it is. Yes. Yes, it is Vizzy Art. I love Vizzy Art shadows. Whew. So I did at least get, my eyes are taken care of. I got a nice eye cream, a nice eye brush, and some nice eyeshadows. It is the Cashmere. Do I own this? We're proceeding like I do not. Oh yeah, no, I don't have that. That's gorgeous. Look at that packaging. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. I definitely don't own that. I appreciate that it is not just one of their black ones or burgundy ones, because then I know it's not one I have. That is very pretty. It is slightly neutral, but it has everything that I want a shadow palette to have. It has my light matte that I use for an all-over color to cover up veins and darkness on my lids. It has a couple of really easy transition colors, a nice dark color, and then lots of shiny. Those are, here, let's just look at a couple. Those are beautiful. Wow. So I might have come really close to getting my money's worth. Not the $150 that they promised, although I'm sure I have $150 in value. To me, not so much, but those are, I love Vizzy Art. Now I have this all over my hand and I'm taping in the living room. No means of getting it off. I'm going to Alexandria Ryan this situation. Oh wow, it's even gorgeous on here. Is this showing? Let me show that just in case. It's kind of here. I edited that out if it didn't work. I'm seeing my thumbnail as we speak. World's smallest lucky bag. And I am sure that there are plenty of non-picky, warmer tone skinned, not sensitive skinned people out there that would have loved this box. Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. People love it. I can't use it for some reason. It irritates me. I've never tried the light, in all fairness, but I don't want to waste it. I'm sure it's pricey. I probably told you the price. I don't want to take a chance on using it and then not being able to pass it along. We have the Wayne Goss Lippy. It's just kind of a rusty brown. I don't think it'll be perfect for me. We have the Wayne Goss eyeliner. You young people, let me know down below. If you have used the Wayne Goss eyeliner, do you like it? Let me know, because his formula is way too dry for me. This is my pass along pile. Then we have the Danielessa Myrix, which they say you can use as a lippy, a blush, or an eye. I will for sure try that on my eye. It has dried down. It's not at all sticky. So that falls into the maybe category. In the yes category, we have a lovely Sonia G brush. Never gonna be unhappy with the Sonia G brush. We have the Yerba Mate from Good Molecules under eye gel. Definitely gonna try that. Is completely absorbed on the back of my hand. And we have the gorgeous Vizzy Art palette, which came in at the last minute to save the day. Here I come to save the day. This, minus the Yerba Mate under eye cream, is my lucky bag. Let me know if you did it. Let me know what you got. I have watched so many people unbox these. This was different. This was, I mean, I've seen people get some of these products, but I have not seen this setup. I don't know that, have I seen, I don't think I've seen anybody get this shadow palette. There was a lot of the Danielessa Myrix palette that is the one with the silver and the blues in it. It's all very shiny. It is a gorgeous looking palette, but this one looks like one that I will use every day. So not sad at all. Okay. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for coming by. Post Fabfitfun spoilers this weekend. All about finishing up the room. So I will see you soon. it's gonna look just like the old place. It's still upstairs, it's still an eaved roof. The room is gray, not purple, but I am in a place where behind my setup in the back, I have a plug-in. So I might put 2 lights back there, just 2 small lights back there to kind of backlight me, because you guys know it stays a little dark behind me up there. It's only been 5 years. Sooner or later, I'll get a grip on the lighting. Okay, thanks again for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here so much. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Have a great day, guys. Bye.